Hello and welcome to Psoriasis on YouTube. We cover all things psoriasis on this channel. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay up to date on all things psoriasis. Living with psoriasis doesn't mean sacrificing the joy of dining out. Many chain restaurants now offer menus that cater to a variety of dietary needs, including those specific to individuals with psoriasis. Here are the top 5 chain restaurants where you can enjoy a delightful meal without worrying about triggering a psoriasis flare. Subway. Subway's customizable sandwich and salad options make it a go-to spot for individuals with psoriasis, with a vast array of fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and gluten-free bread choices. Subway allows you to craft a meal that suits your specific dietary preferences. Plus, the transparency in ingredient choices lets you make informed decisions about your order. Panera Bread. Panera Bread is known for its commitment to transparency and quality ingredients. Their menu features a variety of salads, soups, and sandwiches, many of which include psoriasis-friendly ingredients. Panera also provides detailed nutritional information online, enabling individuals with psoriasis to make informed choices that align with their dietary needs. Chipotle. Chipotle's emphasis on fresh and whole ingredients makes it a favorite for those with psoriasis. The build-your-own concept allows you to skip potential triggers and opt for psoriasis-friendly choices such as grilled proteins, vegetables, and brown rice. Chipotle's commitment to sourcing quality ingredients ensures a flavorful meal that won't compromise your skin health. California Pizza Kitchen. California Pizza Kitchen stands out for its diverse menu, offering gluten-free and cauliflower crust options for pizza lovers with psoriasis. The restaurant also features a range of salads and entrees with fresh, high-quality ingredients. The variety ensures there's something for everyone, even those with specific dietary needs related to psoriasis. Outback Steakhouse. Outback Steakhouse is a steak lover's paradise that doesn't leave individuals with psoriasis behind. With a focus on grilled meats, fresh vegetables, and simple sides, Outback Steakhouse provides a hearty dining experience without compromising on flavor. The menu's emphasis on unprocessed, wholesome ingredients makes it a safe choice for those managing psoriasis. Dining out with psoriasis is made easier with these top 5 chain restaurants that prioritize transparency, customization, and fresh quality ingredients. From customizable sandwiches at Subway to the diverse menu options at California Pizza Kitchen, these chains are paving the way for inclusive dining experiences. So go ahead and savor the flavors without worrying about your skin. These restaurants have got you covered. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up on all things psoriasis. Take care and be well.